The most powerful moment in a criminal case is not the trial. It is the indictment. An indictment is not paperwork. It is a constitutional boundary. Under the Fifth Amendment, a person can only be tried on charges returned by a grand jury. That means the grand jury decides what the accusation is, not the prosecutor, not the judge. In this case, the grand jury charged intentional murder. Intentional. Intentional murder requires proof that the accused meant to cause death. It does not mean reckless. It does not mean accidental. It does not mean some alternate theory introduced later. The indictment serves three purposes. First, it gives notice of exactly what must be defended. Second, it limits what the prosecution is allowed to prove. Third, it protects against conviction for something the grand jury never charged. The United States Supreme Court has made this clear. Once a grand jury speaks, the charge cannot be broadened at trial. If it is, that is called a constructive amendment. And constructive amendments are not technical errors. They are structural errors. Structural error means the foundation of the trial has shifted. The grand jury spoke once. The trial spoke differently. When the accusation changes after the evidence closes, the question is no longer about strategy. It is about authority. Who has the constitutional power to define the crime? The grand jury or someone else? Next episode, we move to what happened after the evidence closed, because that is where the ground began to move.